Most people think plants need sunlight, but that's not true. Today, you'll discover 15 stunning houseplants that grow beautifully even in zero sunlight. Let's begin. Number 1. The snake plant. Tough, stylish, and perfect for dark corners. It survives drought and low light effortlessly. Number 2. The ZZ plant. Glossy leaves. Thrives in windowless rooms. Almost impossible to kill. Number 3. Pothos. Long trailing vines. Grows fast even in dim rooms. Perfect for shelves. Number 4. The peace lily. Low light, clean air. And yes, it still blooms. Number 5. The cast iron plant. Strong, low maintenance. Thrives where other plants fail. Number 6. Heartleaf philodendron. Soft, trailing leaves. Loves shade more than bright light. Number 7. Chinese evergreen. Beautiful colors. Actually prefers low light. Sunlight can damage its leaves. Number 8. Parlor palm. Adds instant tropical vibes. Perfect for dark rooms. Number 9. Dracaena. Tall, dramatic, and perfect for corners. Handles low light easily. Number 10. Lucky bamboo. Simple, elegant. Grows in low light and even in water. Number 11. Indoor English ivy. Beautiful hanging plant. Great for bathrooms and low light spaces. Number 12. Spider plant. Hardy, fast growing. Produces baby plants you can replant. Number 13. Nerve plant. Bright veins. Loves humidity. Perfect for darker rooms. Number 14. Ferns. Soft, lush. Great in shaded moist areas. Number 15. Calathea. Patterned leaves. Thrives without direct sunlight. A true low-light beauty, and there you have it. 15 stunning houseplants that grow even in zero sunlight. Which one will you add to your home? Like, share, and subscribe for more plant tips.